Hello childrens, how are you all? Hope you all are fine. I am your value education teacher Arpita Nemani, and today we will move on to your next chapter of value education, chapter number 3. Childrens, the name of the chapter is A Party for the Chief. You know, this story is written by Bhishma Sahani. In this story, the writer criticizes the attitude of the young generation towards the old. So, let's start with the story. Mr. Shamnath was an employee in an office whose chief was an American. Once, he invited his chief for dinner. Mr. Shamnath and his wife made an elaborate arrangement for the chief. The chief was to be accompanied by few other people also. Mr. Shamnath finished arranging everything for the reception of the guest, but they had one problem. It was their mother. Both husband and wife decided to hide their mother during the chief's visit. Their mother was uneducated and she came from a rural background. She had no sophistication in the modern sense, but she was simple, tolerant, and accommodating. Mr. Shamnath wanted to exhibit a sense of aristocracy to his guest. He wished to hide all the odd things from which their mother was one of them. And on the other hand, children, their mother was happy that some guests were going to be hosted by her son. Mr. Shamnath tried to hide her in a dark, diggy kothari, but was afraid of her snoring. So, he forced her to sit on a chair and ordered her not to fall asleep till all the guests had left. The poor woman agreed to obey her son's orders because she wanted her son to get promotion. In this way, children, the story depicts the change in the attitudes of two generations. Now, children, the chief had arrived and he met the old mother by chance and treated her with respect and civility. The mother too impressed the guest. The odd thing was changed into a subject of interest. The story here, children, centers round a single action. It presents a dinner party for the chief and friends hosted by Mr. Shamnath. Mr. Shamnath and his wife presented an aristocratic and sophisticated atmosphere in their home to impress the guest. They worked to make their house look orderly and beautiful, but they neglected their mother in order to receive the guest. So, children, what do we understood from the story? We got a moral that we should always respect our elders. We should not humiliate them. We should not make our elders feel neglected. We should accept them with how they are. And we should also not expect from them to be sophisticated in modern sense. So all of you understood, children? Thank you.